Hello my dear students, today we are going to solve this program. The question is, you have to write a program that receives two lists and creates a third list that contains all elements of the first list followed by all elements of the second list, and we have to do this program with the help of function. So children, first we are going to write the function definition. After that we will call this function from the main. So first we are going to declare a function with the name def t-list, and in this we consider we are going to receive two arguments as a list like L1, L2. For this what we have to do beta, we have to join the contents of first list followed by the elements of the second list. For this we have to do like this: L3 is equal to L1 plus L2. So we get the resultant in the L3 that contains the elements of the first list followed by all the elements of the second list. There is one more method for this, like you can also make use of the extend function like this: L1 dot extend L2, and we know very well with the help of extend function children, the contents of L2 is joined with the contents of L1 and the result will be in L1. So here in this case we return L3 to the main program, and here with the help of extend method we return L1 to the main program. Now how we can write the main program children? In the main program firstly we are going to insert two lists: eval input enter first list, now input second list, list 2 is equal to eval input enter second list. Now we are going to call the function, and we know very well the function returns the value. That means we have to store the resultant list in one variable that we will take in the form of list3 is equal to list3, then call the function t-list. Here we are going to call these two lists, list1 comma list2. Finally, when the function called, the contents of both the lists are combined and we get the resultant list in list 3. Okay. Now we are going to print the list 3. Print third list is list 3. In this way children, we can create a third list with the name list 3 that contain all the elements of the first list followed by all the elements of the second. I hope you understand this program very well. Okay, now in our next video we will do the same type of some interesting program. Till then, take care. Bye bye.